great kicker. 11 field goals this year. Kick is up. Tie game. Co-champions at the Coliseum. But it feels so much better for the Pirates.
Yeah,
Narbonne didn't lose the championship, but San Pedro won it.
Or tied it.
What?
Shakespeare's great line, "What's done is done." Well, a tie.
Losers. Woo! Well, that's this. Oh, that's not.
Champions for San Pedro and for Narbonne. And here's the PAT, never bigger for Jared.
Well, the last one doinked off the post, but no question on this one, driven right through. And what a great gutty performance by both teams here today. But the heroics of San Pedro will go down in history, coming in a hopeful, almost hopeless situation. They were smart,